Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus HSN LEb. We will explore their core functionalities and ideal use cases. Excel is a versatile spreadsheet program, widely used for general data management and analysis. HSN LEb, on the other hand, represents a specialized business system designed for more focused and structured data handling. Understanding their differences is key to selecting the right tool for your tasks. Excel shines with its incredible versatility and user-friendliness. It allows for highly customizable data organization, from simple lists to complex financial models. You can perform intricate calculations using hundreds of built-in functions and create compelling charts to visualize your data. Its widespread adoption means easy sharing and collaboration across many industries, making it a go-to for diverse analytical tasks. HSN LEb, as a specialized system, excels in dedicated environments. It is built to maintain high data accuracy and consistency, crucial for regulatory compliance, such as managing product classification codes. This system often automates complex, repetitive tasks, reducing manual errors and saving significant time. Its integrated design ensures smooth data flow across specific business functions, providing a robust and reliable solution for focused operations. When deciding, consider your primary objective. Excel is ideal for ad hoc analysis, personal budgeting, and quick reporting, offering unparalleled flexibility. However, for managing large volumes of structured data, ensuring regulatory compliance, or automating core business processes, a specialized system like HSN LEb is often superior. Evaluate your specific data requirements, the number of users, and the need for integration with other systems to make the best decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.